Okay. So Hardik, you answer. What is the direction of magnetic field lines outside the magnet? Hardik. Okay, north to south pole he is typing. It is correct. Okay. Then next question. What are the properties of magnetic field lines? What are the properties of magnetic field lines? Two properties you have to say. Okay, only Yug is raising hand. Okay, Yug, you say the answer.
अरे मैम वो रेज एंड रहे क्या?
What?
मैम वो गलती से हो गया.
गलती से हो गया रेज. Okay, okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What are the properties of magnetic field lines? Yes, Siddharth, you say the answer. Siddharth.
Ma'am, they will never intersect.
Okay, magnetic field lines never intersect first. Okay, next.
They start outside the magnet, they start from north pole to south pole, and inside the magnet, they move from south to north pole.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, any other property? Yes, Siddharth, you can lower your hand. Any other property? Anybody else? Nirviksha, can you say some other property?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the strength of magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of field line and ma'am, 2 seconds.
Okay.
मैम बस यही आता था.
ओके, यही याद है. ठीक है, हिनल.
Yes, ma'am. The field is stronger than it's acting on the pole.
Field is
Where
stronger
the
at
field-
the poles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Hinal Imani. Hinal, any other property?
Ma'am, they are closed curves.
They are closed curves. Okay. Any other thing?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Siddharth.
Direction of a magnetic field line is seen by the tangent.
Direction of magnetic field line at any point can be given by tangent at that point. Very good. Okay. One more thing we can say is magnetic field line is a quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Okay. Then, okay, next is magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Okay. So we have seen one rule. We have seen one rule that how do we find magnetic field through a straight conductor which is carrying current. So who can tell me that rule? What is the name of the rule?
What?
How can we find magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor? Or when a conductor is carrying current, how can we find magnetic field around that conductor? So first of all, which
Through right hand thumb rule.
So right hand thumb rule. Okay, right hand thumb rule is the rule which helps us to find the magnetic field, direction of magnetic field around any straight conductor. Okay. Now who can state right hand thumb rule?
Can I explain?
Last time also you said. Let me see if somebody else. Anybody else? Harini, Avni. Harini, do you know right hand thumb rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then say.
Ma'am, I can't define it in the book language, but
so you can define in your own language.
Ma'am, when the current, the flow of current is in the direction of in which our if we hold a wire with our hand, then the thumb is placed in the direction in which the current is flowing.
Okay.
And then that's all.
Okay, your voice is also breaking actually. I'm not able to hear continuous voice. Okay, Himani, can you tell me right hand thumb rule? Himani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we hold a current carrying conductor, the thumb points towards the angle where current is flowing, and the fingers are curled around the magnetic field lines.
Okay. So, okay. So right hand thumb rule is saying that if we are holding a current carrying conductor, imagine that we are holding a current carrying conductor in our right hand such that thumb points towards the direction of current, then the direction in which fingers wrap is the direction of field lines or magnetic field. Okay. So this is right hand thumb rule. Then this can be used to find the current through a circular loop also. Okay. So next is, so we have seen actually how does the magnetic field lines will be formed when current is flowing through a circular loop. This we have seen in one of the videos. Okay. So was that clear to everybody? एक सर्कुलर लूप है, उसको कार्डबोर्ड के उसके दोनों एंड्स कार्डबोर्ड के परपेंडिकुलर है, प्लेन ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड के परपेंडिकुलर है. ओके, देन करंट फ्रॉम वन ऑफ देम will be flowing upward and current from the other one will be flowing downward. Still the magnetic field lines will be adding up. So at the center, because of that, there will be a strong magnetic field. And when number of turns are large, then there will be a strong magnetic field generated inside the this circular coil or insulated copper wire, which is called the solenoid. Okay, and as this field lines are very big circles, they will appear to be straight line inside the solenoid. So inside the solenoid field, magnetic field is uniform. Okay, and magnetic field is uniform, that means these lines will be parallel to each other. So then a strong magnetic field can be produced inside a solenoid, which can be used to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron. This way, this magnet is called electromagnet. So electromagnet is actually a magnet when which behaves like a magnet when electricity flows through the conductor, and when no electricity flows, then it behaves like a normal substance. So soft iron is a iron material with very low carbon content. This all we have seen in previous class. Okay, now we'll be so okay, so there is a battery. Okay, and current is flowing through this coil. अब इसके अंदर ये कर्व्ड वो है, उसके अंदर एक आयरन का पीस है. ओके, तो क्या हो रहा है कि when current is flowing through this turns, okay, because of that magnetic field is setting inside this coil, and because of yes,
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
yes, are you not able
No,
to?
ma'am, you haven't shared.
I'm sharing.
Yes, ma'am,
It's not visible.
No, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes.
I am sharing, but can you see now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ये क्या हो रहा है? 1 minute.